So myself, Praveen, I'm associated with iVascular, and iVascular is basically a company from Spain who is into coronary and peripheral segment of medical devices. So here we are today with our coronary segment with stents, drug-eluting balloons, microcatheters, angiographic catheters. So this company is a new company in India and it's doing a very good business. So we have some unique techniques like drug-eluting balloon, paclitaxel type. We have some good coating technology which no other company has in India, the Hydrex technology. Then we have our angiolite stents that can be expanded, like over expansion is the only major benefit which no other product can give. Our 4 dia can go up to 6 and then 2.75 can go to 5.25. This is the unique technology we have in our product. Thanks.